You already know iBot, the AI assistant for university students across Africa. Ask a question, and it searches your actual course material to find the answer. Not the web, not guesswork. Your courses, your content, your answers. It's a challenge that catches most AI assistants off guard. What if the information in iBot's knowledge base is out of date? A lecturer revises a deadline, a mark weighting changes, a new prerequisite gets added. If iBot's memory was last updated before that change, it will answer confidently with the old information, and the student will never know. And there is a second problem. Sometimes both the old version and the new version end up in iBot's knowledge base at the same time. Two sources, contradicting each other. A standard AI assistant will pick one, silently, and report the answer with full confidence. No warning, no explanation, no way for the student to know a choice was made.
Hi. I need to check this out, please. Okay.
In a well-run library, when a new textbook edition arrives, the old one is removed. You don't get both and have to guess. If both briefly exist, the librarian checks dates, gives you the newest, and explains the difference. That's the standard we set for iBot. We gave iBot 2 upgrades. The first keeps its knowledge current. Before, it only picked up new Moodle content. If a page was edited, iBot never saw the change. The old version stayed in its memory. Now, it tracks changes, not just new content. When something updates, it replaces the old version with the latest one, so its knowledge always matches what's actually published. The second upgrade handles cases where 2 versions briefly coexist. iBot compares both sources before forming an answer. If there is a conflict, it keeps the most recent version, and it lets the student know a conflict was found and resolved. No silent guessing, full transparency.
When is the assignment due?
iBot doesn't just retrieve, it retrieves responsibly.
15 June. Updated.
Students get answers based on what lecturers have actually published, not outdated information. And when there's uncertainty, iBot says so. That's what sets it apart. This is responsible AI in education. Not just powerful, but aware when its knowledge may be outdated, able to detect contradictions, and transparent when uncertainty exists. That is what trust in AI looks like.